Hello there, Tom Zerinskis here, and I'm talking about a short story called Gender. It is a panphone because it contains all of the 40 English phonemes in it, and it's written in true spell phonetics. Moving down, this describes what a panphone is and where you can go see the converter, true spell converter. And here is the conversion of this story here. The gender reveal party was held yesterday outside the park that would show all if their forthcoming child were a boy or a girl. Explosion told the tale. Oh, a blue explosion told the tale. And we have the summary phoneme count. You can pause this and read the phonemes. These are single phonemes. These are double phonemes, which show stress other than the first syllable. And these are the vowels. And moving down further, you get the analysis. And there are 40 vowels. That's 1/3. And 62 consonants. Total words is 30. And more information. So, very good. These panphones are good to practice English pronunciation.